This video will watch the best ratings for Christmas glitter artificial poinsettia flowers decorations, over 5,998 customer reviews. 15 pieces 8.7 inches Christmas glitter artificial poinsettia flowers decorations, large size 8.7 inches Xmas tree ornaments with clips. Material plastic. Theme: Christmas and wedding. 15 Christmas glitter poinsettia flowers, 15 clips. 15 plastic stakes. The glitter may shed off when it comes. Just shake off the glitter. That would not affect the exterior looking. With clips and stakes, the glitter poinsettia flowers are approximately 8.7 inches in diameter. The set comes with clips and plastic stakes. You can easily attach them to Christmas trees, wreaths, or garlands and help give them a real pop of evenly distributed brightness. Material: handmade. They are made of durable fabric, cloth, and plastic. Easy to assemble. Just insert the clip tip into the Christmas flower base tube and clamp it anywhere you want to decorate. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching my video.